I trust everybody's doing well. Do you know you can earn money, or you can get money from people who give it freely, from platforms, from government? I remember like 2 or 3 months ago, we used to bring for you these grants. We used to bring for you offers. But in this video, I'm going to bring for you one of the interesting offer, or one of the interesting grant that is open almost 3 times or 4 times in a month, depending exactly which grant are you going to get. This is a disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial guru. I'm a kind of a person that decided to step in and say, no. I cannot accept for poverty. When we have smartphone, we have Wi-Fi, we have skills, we have what it takes. Do you know you can easily get $3,500 just within 30 seconds? This time, it is not a month, it is not a day, but it is within 30 seconds. In this video, I'm going to be showing you this interesting platform. I've been on this platform for more than 2 years. I've applied for these grants. I've not succeeded, but most people have succeeded. So today is your day. If you believe in it, even as we go right away, I'm going to be doing my application. I want you to join me. We get this money. There is something that is interesting on this grant. It is applied by one person, but 2 people are going to get this money. How are they going to get this money? The person who referred me is going to get the same amount of money, and also the person who referred the person who has processed it, who has won the grant, is going to be getting the amount of money. We are talking about $3,500. But before I dive in, I know you're still there asking, Christine, which platform is this? Is it viable? You know, we have the nurses, we have people who don't believe in these things. And most of the people who don't believe in these things have remained stuck wherever they are. I'm bringing you good news. The good news is about new Garasi grant. I received this email on 2nd or 3rd. Most of you, at the moment you finish applying for one grant, you will automatically be receiving these emails. When you receive emails, they will be maybe about education, about the newsletter, about the grants and other things. So I felt, why not share with you? It has been long. Please never fail to try. Continue trying. Even if you applied and you didn't get, please try it again. What does it take for you? 30 minutes to log in and you apply. That's all. Nothing. They're not asking you money. So it was addressed to me, and it is, you can look at it. Let me show if you can, but you will be checking it also on your screen. I'm going to put a screenshot, a screen recording. So it says, hey Christine, we have officially launched our next Garasi grant giveaway. This time it is $3,500. Before it used to be $2,745, something like that. So they say deadline is 30th June. So you have all the time. As I record this video, I'm not going to even edit it. I'm recording it early April. So it means you have opportunity for you to really win this money. Like me, I'm in full gear to win this grant this time, $3,500. Then they put for you plus meet our first business of the week, cakes by the, you can go down and see, as you can see on the screen. So what is interesting about this Garasi grant? Garasi grant is a platform. Let me take you to Garasi grant. What you do, I want you to go to your browser right now. Just go with me. Go to your browser. When you reach your browser, type in Garasi grant. Let's type in together. When you put Garasi grant, a search interface is going to come. This is a free funding, and you're going to see your interface is like the way you can see on the screen right now. It's Garasi grants. It's for small business funding for women and minority entrepreneurs. Women and minority, meaning women, we are not a minority, but there are some entrepreneurs who are in that minority group. Become a Garasi Plus member by gaining access to hundreds of other grants opportunities. This shows you that apart from this grant, which is free, if you take a step and become a Garasi Plus member, you are exposed to many more opportunities of the grants. I always bring for you free ones. Like this one I'm giving you, the 3,500 is a free one. But if you want to go to have access to many of them, it means you're going to pay a fee. So that one is a, by the way, I don't always sit on that, because for us, we encourage you to go for the free things. Then if you see the free things are working, go ahead and be a Garage Plus member. I'm not yet a Garage Plus member, but I'll be there soon. So if you scroll down on that interface, you'll see that 3,500 Garage Grant giveaway, it's free of charge. What you do, they tell you scroll down to find entry form. As I told you, why is it interesting and everybody should go for this? One, you are going to apply within 30 seconds. You get a loan or you don't get a loan. Two, there is no anything attached. Three, there's time for there's still time up to June 30th. It means from April, May, June, there's that time enough. But I always encourage you, please apply as soon as possible. Don't wait to be late. So what do we see in a Garage Grant form? If you scroll down, you're going to find a Garage Grant form. It is very simple and easy. I think it has like 5 elements or 6 to 7 elements. One, they're going to ask you about your names, the first and the last. Then the second one, they are going to ask you about your email, zip code. If your zip code, most people don't know about zip code. If you don't know your zip code, I want you, don't ask me even. You can write it in the comment section, but you can go ahead, go to the Chrome or go to the Google, put there zip code for Nairobi. It will come. Zip code for Dubai is different from zip code for Kampala. Then you can also talk about ethnicity, and when you reach on ethnicity, it gives you alternatives. In other words, it's giving you Dropbox. In that one, there are different ethnicities. There's African American, Black, Native American, Latino, Asia, white, other ethnicity. Prefer not to say, it's up to you. So you choose one and you continue scrolling. If you scroll with me, you're going to find somewhere where they're asking you gender. You are either male or female. But these days, there are some people who are just in the middle. They prefer not to say, because they don't know exactly whether they belong to a man or belong to women section. So it's up to you also. Then the business status. Me, I feel why I'm not getting this most of the time on a business status. What we put matters a lot. Like here, they said, I would like to start a business and I currently own a business. I feel these people are supporting more of the individuals who already have business. So let's change the style. Before I've been putting, I would like to start a business, but this time let's put, I currently own a business. Do you own a business? Yes. You should be having a business idea and or you own a business. But if you put there that you own a business, be ready that if at all God chooses you, be ready that you have the necessary things. You have the project plan, you have the what is concerning your business, you have the capital of your business, you have the income of your business, all of them. Then from there we go to, this is very crucial, whereby they will ask you who referred you. How did you come to know about this Garage Grant? If you came to know, like the way you're watching me, just go down and write there, I came to know from Christine Chokshara Immaculate. The moment you write it there, it is very essential. Don't forget to mention in who referred you, to say they can also be selected. Like for example, if right now you've seen and you filled and you qualify for this 3,500 and you've put my name that you had it from me, I'm also going to gain from that. I'll get that 3,500. Go ahead down, grant entry terms and conditions. If you don't tick to agree terms and conditions, you will not finish it. You will not be allowed to submit. So what you do, you tick it. When you finish ticking it, you go. It means you have agreed. You go down and submit. You can even go ahead and read the terms and conditions. It's a bonanza or it's a pro. Just click on it and see. So you guys, it's very simple. If you don't understand it so well, please write it in the comment section. I'll go through with you step by step. This one was a summary of this grant. Thank you.